Hey everyone, if you watch any of the videos on my channel, you may have seen a bunch of pop wish lists where I draw Funko Pop concepts for different characters. And today I thought I would do a how to draw a Funko Pop video. So in a lot of my videos I have templates underneath the main drawing that I've drawn through the years and that I use. Sometimes I freehand them and just draw the Funko Pop outright. So I'm going to show you how to make a basic template that you could use for a Funko Pop, and then we'll transform it into just a general figure afterwards. So Funko Pops have rounded rectangular heads in general. So I always start with the head shape. So I'm going to make a rounded rectangle, and that basically just means the corners are rounded. And that's a little big there, so I'm going to bring that back in and erase that. And then the eyes are just solid black eyes, and they're usually about halfway down the head. So I'm going to draw a line there where the eyes might go. I'm just going to draw two circles and fill them in. And then the nose would be in between the eyes. And a lot of people think the nose is a mouth, but there are usually, on general Funko Pops, there are no mouths. And then the ears go across from the eyes. And there you have a basic head. Now for the body, a lot of templates will have a full figure that you can draw on top of. Sometimes I like to just do like a skeleton type body. I'm going to do that now. So I'm just going to do a torso there. And most Funko Pops don't have necks that you see. So the head just connects to the body. And then we'd go where the leg would be. And then there'd be a foot. And we'd have the arms coming out, and you can make the arms in whatever pose you want. But the advantage to doing a body this way is you kind of draw a stick figure, and then you can go back and kind of add the bulk to the figure and actually make the body how you want it to look. So I'm putting clothes on this, and then the shoes. Excuse me. And for the arms, I'm just going to put a t-shirt on this character. And then have the actual arms be out there with the hand. And again, this is roughly going to be a template. So there could be a template, and if you notice, the head is actually the same size of the body. So the figure itself is what we would call 2 heads high, and midway through is where the waist is. And now once you have a basic template, I highly suggest either duplicating the file if you're doing it digitally like I'm doing in Procreate, or if you're doing it on paper, take that piece of paper and get another sheet of paper to put on top of that, and always just trace that initial template so you don't have to redraw it every time. But when I do mine with a template, I go into layers and drop the opacity, and then I draw directly on top of it on a new layer, which I forgot to do there. So I'll go in and trace the template. And when I do eyes on my drawings, I like to give it a little reflection, so I leave a little white space. And throw in the nose and the ears. And for this figure, maybe this figure is holding something, or their arm is up. So I'm going to change it so that the arm goes up. And actually make it the arm coming out this way. Maybe there's like a cane or something in the hand. And the other arm will be kind of on the waist. And I'm going to change the shoe angle on that one. And then what I like to do is once I have the basic figure outlined is I turn off that template layer and get rid of the template, and now I can go in and make the hair and change it so maybe this one has like pointy ears. Maybe it's an elf type of character. And a lot of times I'll draw it on this layer and then actually redo it again on another layer to make it a final version. So stick some hair on here. And like I said, normally I would just redraw this, but I'm just going to erase it right now. The parts of the template that I don't need, where the hair is. And maybe add some details to the clothes. And you can get as creative as you want to get with these figures. You can make them monsters, animals, crazy characters. You can always, I can go in and change the nose right here if I want to. And now all of a sudden this is some kind of animal creature. So it's all up to your imagination, but it all starts with that template and the basic form. And then you can add whatever it is you need to add from there to make the character that you're trying to design. So have fun with it, create your characters, and you can upload those to YouTube just like I do. Thanks for liking this video, subscribing, ringing that bell, and I hope to see you another time. See ya.